Buenos dias, Henry Mom here, the Bentorni from Zamboanga City, and it's another day of Henry Kids Bento Baon, made personalized, fun, and nutritious. In this video, I already compiled the bentos I made for Ate Kevin, Ate Rica, and Paola. And obviously, the theme was monkeys, different species of monkeys kasi yung nasa top ng lasagna ay may gorilang kasama. So, napaisip ako kasi yung bento ko, monkey. So, parang monkey business. I was thinking that I will share something about some monkey business going around since I am a securities regulator working with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Maybe I will use this platform to talk about scams. Di ba laganap yan ngayon? Na-scam na ba kayo? Oh, listen up. Isa sa mga popular na scams ngayon is yung advance fee. Tawag dito. Kasi ito yung mga kunyari, nagpapaloan. They will text you, they will message you, and then they will invite you to join a group chat. And then they will tell you, do you need money? We can give you cash and help you with your financial problems very instantly. They will show you a group chat, testimonies of people who sabi nila na nakakuha nga ng financial aid doon sa paglo-loan doon sa nag-text sa'yo or nag-message sa'yo. Pero mga kasama lang nila yon, sa pag-scam sa'yo. Sinasabi lang nila na ganun nga, naka-receive sila ng pera, pero wala talaga silang natanggap kasi kasama lang sila sa modus to convince you to loan. So ano yung modus nila? Ang gagawin nila, oh ma'am, sir, if you will loan 50,000 pesos, we will give you 50,000 pesos. But first, there is an advance fee, parang processing fee. You have to pay us 5,000 para ma-process natin yung loan mo. So, ikaw naman, kasi you need 50,000, maghahanap ka ng paraan para babayaran mo yung 5,000. Tapos, pag ibigay mo na yung 5,000, biglang sasabihin, ay ma'am, hindi namin natanggap yung 5,000. Parang mali ata yung saan nyo dineposit, saan nyo finan-transfer, o saan nyo Gcash yung 5,000. Eto, isend ko sa inyo ulit itong number na to. So, magsisend ka ulit kasi akala mo talaga nawawala na yung 5,000. Tapos sabi nila, ay, nandyan lang yan ma'am, makikita rin natin yan ang 5,000 mo. Pag mag-send ka na ulit, kasi makikita na yan sa account nyo. O, tapos mag-send ka na naman ng 5,000, ganun. Tapos noon, after that, the loan will not be given to you. Bigla nang lalaho yung mga taong kinausap mo, yung mga nasa GC, wala na rin yung pera mo. So, be very careful. If you loan, there is no advanced fee kahit sa mga banks. Be very careful with this monkey business. More on this, love, and Mom.